If you're vegan and you need to lose 30 plus pounds, listen to this. We're going to set up the minimum effective routine. So let's remove all of the variables about the vitamins and all these little things, because while it's important, it's not what's going to move the knots when it comes to fat loss. 80% of your fat loss results are going to come from a handful of things. So let's get into those. The top 5 things you need to focus on. Number 1 is going to be a caloric deficit to ensure that you're consuming fewer calories or burning off more calories than your body needs to maintain its current weight, which is the only way that you can actually lose weight in the first place. Number 2, your protein intake to ensure that you're not losing muscle but potentially building new muscle in the process of losing weight. Number 3 is going to be lifting weights. While we do need to eat more protein, resistance training is going to be the stimulus that causes us to build new muscle, because it's giving our bodies a reason to grow by adding new stress to it. So make sure that you're weight training at least 3 times per week, 45 to 60 minutes per session, progressively overloading in some shape or form, and you'll be straight. Number 4 is sleep, for obvious reasons. But something that you may not know is that when we're eating protein, it's giving our bodies those building blocks that it needs to build new muscle. When we're in a gym, we're training and giving our body the stimulus for growth. But the actual growth process happens when we're sleeping, resting, and recovering. So without sleep, you're kind of just defeating the whole purpose. Number 5 is track your progress. What gets measured gets managed, and you need to know why you're progressing or why you're not progressing. And you can't know that unless you're actually looking at the data, the information, and seeing what you're doing. Your progress pics, your body fat percentage, all of these different things matter. So if you track these stats, it'll help you progress way further than you would if you didn't track. Let me know in the comments below what was most helpful for you. Share this video if you found it valuable, and make sure you hit that follow button.